Hi, I'm Renee from Circulon, and this is Circulon Momentum Stainless Steel Cookware. This cookware was constructed for convenience and comfort. Each piece is constructed with top quality stainless steel for durability, performance, and it's dishwasher safe. The pan also features the total nonstick system with premium nonstick on unique raised circles. The circles reduce surface abrasion and increase the longevity of your nonstick. The nonstick is metal utensil safe, PFOA free, and of course easy to clean. The mirror polished stainless steel exteriors add a professional look to any kitchen. The impact bonded base makes this cookware heat up quickly and is suitable for all ranges, including induction. These silicone wrapped stainless steel handles were designed for comfort, and they're oven safe to 400 degrees. Topping off the collection are durable tempered glass lids that seal in heat and moisture. Plus, you can count on these circles for a lifetime of cooking with our hassle-free lifetime guarantee. With a variety of pans to choose from, Circulon Momentum Stainless Steel is sure to enhance your cooking performance and have you making new recipes in no time.